We're gonna do a quick how-to on doing a oil light reset and a hydro light reset. This is just something that you should know. To do the oil light reset, this is how we're gonna do it, and let's do it now. You have to be sitting. The brake has to be up, and then you're gonna come over here to the screen, and your key is gonna be 4 on keys. So it's gonna be on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, and then 1 handle in, and that's gonna reset your oil. So it's 1 key on, 2 key on, 3 key on, and 4. Pull 1 handle in, and it's gonna reset on the screen. You'll see it say 100 with the wrench on it. And then to do the hydros, you're gonna do the same thing, but 6 keys. So 1 key, 2 key, 3 key, 4 key, 5 key, 6, handle in, and that's gonna reset your hydro. And then it's gonna say 500, good to go.